Hi, I'm Oscar Valdovinos. And as you can see, I have a lot of girl hair. Now, as you can tell, I am a fucking molester. I don't want no more dicks, Daddy. I think that's been enough. So basically, I am a man. I molest children. I molest men too. I don't like women. So yeah, like how do you say it? Uh, I have girl hair, girly eyes, and I dress like a girl. I'm gay, and I think that's all that I have to talk about. Cause I'm a molester and I like dicks. Goodbye.